Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Sharpenstein and I will be your instructor this semester. Welcome to the Blackboard Ultra course. First things first, let's start here where it says students start here and open up the syllabus. Let me scroll to the top here. Alrighty, so this is a syllabus for the semester. Please read through it. Read this technological statement. Our required textbook and materials, course competencies, so things that we're going to hit this semester, our online workplace ethics agreement, just be respectful towards each other and towards me, and we shouldn't have anything to worry about. Grievance procedures. If you do need accommodations, please go through our accessibility services coordinator. This is the email address and phone number for that person. So if you do need those, please contact them and then they will send me an email and we'll get you squared away. Our grading scheme is right here. Some important dates I will also have included in the course outline and weekly schedule, or you can hit this and be taken to the important dates for the college. All right, here's our course outline and weekly schedule. So the dates listed start at Monday and on Sunday. Everything here will be due Sundays at midnight Eastern Time or 10:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So please note that it is an hour, or shows as an hour earlier for Central Standard Time, but really it's due at the same time there. And please don't fall behind because I do not accept late work. So just make sure that you are submitting it by the due date. Day before would be a lot better, so you're not waiting for the last second there. But this is the breakdown of everything that we're going to do this semester and the due dates. So notice Sundays, midnight Eastern Time or 10:59 p.m. Central Time is when everything is due up until week 7. Now week 7, that assignment will be due on the Friday so that you have that weekend to prepare for your exams. And your final exam will also be due that Friday of that week. So please note that those two are the only caveats to the Sunday midnight rule, Eastern Time. Here's some guidelines. Exam, 1 comprehensive final, quizzes. Assignments are due in Connect, which I will show you here shortly. Your pedigree assignment will be a 50-point assignment somewhere in the middle of the semester. And then you will have two discussion boards. Again, late work's not accepted, but you do have an extra credit opportunity within your pedigree assignment. And there's a documentary extra credit assignment posted in Blackboard that you can read through. All right, speaking of Blackboard, let's go there now. So if you start here, you'll get a little course overview. So everything that we'll hit on this semester. So course competencies, course tasks we're going to complete. My information is right here. The intro video is right here. And obviously you've already found it if you're watching this. Course syllabus is here. And then your course assignment and due dates are just directly pasted from the syllabus, but you can also find them here if you don't want to open up the syllabus again. I have everything broken down in weeks here, except for the pedigree assignment, which falls into the section that you'll have to complete it in. And then your extra credit opportunity is down here if you want to look over that and read over that. So if we hit on week 1, click on that, you'll see your syllabus acknowledgement is first. Please complete that first. This is what will determine whether or not you stay in the class. It's a true-false syllabus acknowledgement question, really easy to do. Just make sure you do it by Thursday so that you can stay in this course this semester. Intro discussion board. I have already posted mine. Formulate yours after mine so we can all kind of get to know each other, see our interests and what we're excited about. Module overview of Chapter 1 will tell you what Chapter 1 is over, what competencies we're going to hit, and what activities we have to do. Lecture notes right here. This is my recorded lecture over Chapter 1 that you can watch, Part 1, Part 2. If you don't want to do the reading, this is posted on YouTube, so you should be able to access it pretty easily. These are extra notes if you want to look at those, and then some supplemental resources that you can watch if you so choose. Chapter 1, The Scientific Study of Life, is the reading material, so if you click on that, you will be taken to the online textbook, and you can read the chapter there if you so wish. It's not for any points, it's just the reading material for the class. Where you will get your points will be within the Chapter 1 Smart Book assignment. So everything that's a Smart Book assignment is where you will get the majority of your points in this class. So if you hit the Smart Book assignment, you will be taken here. Let me exit this assignment. I've already begun. All right. So this is what you will see about a duration and how many concepts that this assignment will go over. If you're not 100% ready for it, you can start your reading material. So I'll just take you back to that chapter assignment. But if you think that you're familiar enough with the material, you can go ahead and start the questions. You'll get asked a question, you'll choose an answer, and you'll rate your confidence, whether it's high, medium, or low. If it's low, I would recommend that you just hit this little reading bookmark, because that'll take you to the section that you need to read to be comfortable with answering these questions. And once it's graded, it will sync to your Blackboard course under Gradebook. If it's not immediately synced, give it a couple days to sync over before emailing me. Sometimes it does take a minute for all the grades to transfer over. All right, but that's about it. If you are in the lab, please stay on here. Now the lab is a little bit different from the previous Connect labs that we've been doing. They are Lobster Labs now. So Lobster is set up similarly to the Connect labs, except it's very, I think personally, it's more user-friendly, and the simulations are very interactive. Just make sure that you are following the simulation step by step, that you're not skipping a step, because if you do skip a step, you will be lost. I know when I first did it, I was like, oh, I'm going to skip a couple steps, and I picked up a Petri dish, and then I couldn't figure out how to put the Petri dish back down. So please, when you do the Lobster modules, go ahead and start by doing the Lobster demo to kind of familiarize yourself and get comfortable with it, so that you don't skip any steps and get stuck. Other than that, though, it's pretty user-friendly. If you hit on one of the labs, if you click on it, it's going to take you a second to get into it. But once it does load, I suggest using Google Chrome or Firefox. Those are the best two browsers that Lobster will work in. And you'll just hit start, and you'll follow the module as the simulation tells you to. It's pretty straightforward. If you do hit the theory question mark within the lab or right here, it takes you to the experimental page that you can click on and then read all of the notes over. If you do have any questions, do please email me. My information is in the syllabus. It is in instructor information right here. And I will be emailing you once a week with announcements, and you'll have my information there as well. All right. Well, without further ado, welcome to class, and I look forward to the semester. Please, please, please don't ever hesitate to ask any questions that you might have. All righty. Well, that's all. I hope this tutorial kind of made you a little bit more comfortable with navigating this course. If not, please email me, and I can email you some pictures and some steps if that'll help more than this video did. All right. Bye-bye.